Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Paltalk TV good settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Paltalk and you will click. In this page of app info, you will go to first app and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.